Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go and withdraw dogs from regular Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. Now the process is really simple. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now open Telegram wallet and select dogs. Once you select it, we'll go here and we'll hit send button, and here we will just go and select external wallet. Now here we're gonna need the address like network as Ton. To get the address, we'll go to our Tonkeeper app. Now once we are here, the process is really simple. Go and hit receive and we will get the address. As the dogs work on Ton network, so you don't need memo code. Just copy the address. We'll go back to our regular Telegram wallet. Now after pasting the address, we will go and hit continue. Here I'm showing you an example of USDT. You'll go here and select dogs. Got the process is all same, no difference. We'll hit continue. And now here, as you guys can see, we're not gonna need the memo code because dogs works on Ton network and we're sending it to Tonkeeper, so no need of memo code. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Do consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.